So here's how we can set a time in the Apple Watch, but without the iPhone, right? So we're not going to use the Watch app. We only stick with the Apple Watch itself. So if you're new on this channel, make sure you do subscribe so you just don't miss tutorials like this one. Well, what you need to do is to locate the settings app of your Apple Watch, and from the apps, scroll through them. It might take a while, but you will eventually find the clock section, right? So like the clock app has its own dedicated settings page. And in there, a couple of different settings, but there is the one which you need to adjust, and it's by default called +0 minutes. And this just lets you basically change the time, right? So you can basically bump up the minutes, like decided that the time is not going to be like 2:51 or whatever, and you just add like 5 minutes to it, right? Not completely sure why you want to do this. I personally don't ever use it because I just rely on the automatic time because I just want my Apple Watch to be as precise and accurate as possible. But you have the ability to add the time there, right? Obviously, you also have some other things like the chimes and all of the speak sounds and whatever available in this section, but this is the only way to adjust the time based on whatever your metrics or whatever your reasoning is. So that's how you do this. Of course, outside of that, you will indeed need to use your iPhone to change the time zone. But yeah, that's how it works. Let me know what you think about that below. If there is something which I didn't cover or you had in mind, let me know about that. But thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the next tutorials as well.